Hi there and happy Saturday. I'm KCRA3 meteorologist Kelly Curran. Cloudy, cool, and slightly rainy for us today. The afternoon high in Sacramento expected to top out at 66. The normal high for today's date, 75. And the record, that was 90 degrees, set in 2003. As we take a look at the satellite radar imagery, you do see already scattered showers moving their way through the area. Oroville, Yuba City, already seeing some of those this morning. Chico as well, even seeing a few light showers over by Ukiah. And as we zoom out to take a look at the bigger picture, you see even more active weather further to the north around Redding, and even more as you head up into parts of Oregon. Now let's take a look at Futurecast. So as we head throughout the rest of the day today, do expect to see a few scattered showers, mainly light and mainly north of I-80, though we will see maybe a couple below I-80, but most of it staying further to our north. Rainfall totals not very impressive, possibly a few scattered showers for us on Sunday. That wraps up though Sunday night, and then as we get into Monday and Tuesday, everything stays a little bit further to our north and we're going to see a little bit more sunshine. Same thing on Wednesday, rain showers staying a little bit further to the north. As we head toward the end of the week, of course, Halloween coming up on Friday. So far, it is looking good. Just a few clouds around. Temperatures should be quite comfortable here as well. And as we head toward Saturday, again, everything stays to our north with high pressure really building in Southern California. As we take a look at the potential rainfall totals out of this system going all the way through Sunday, like I said, not very impressive. We're talking a trace to 1/10 of an inch in Sacramento, lesser amounts for Stockton and Modesto. Placerville, potentially up to 1/2 an inch of rain. Blue Canyon could see up to an inch of rain. Truckee looking at about 1/2 an inch. This is primarily going to be a rain event. As we take a look at the Sierra 7-day forecast, the afternoon high today in Truckee topping out around 50 degrees and 48 with a little bit of mixed precipitation tomorrow, then sunny and dry for the rest of the week. For the foothills, chances for rain today and tomorrow, temperatures only topping out in the 50s. And in Sacramento, chances for rain both today and tomorrow, totals in the highs in the mid 60s rather, then 70s returning as we head into the work week. In fact, Halloween on Friday, mostly sunny skies with an afternoon high of 77.